Shooting this video to discuss surge tanks and you know, surge tanks on commercial pools. The state of Florida, they use a lot of vac packs, fiberglass units that come with pump motor filter and the surge tank built in. But what I want to talk about more is on these residential high-end slot drain or negative edge pools. On negative edge pools, sometimes they build the actual catch basin in the negative edge so that you don't need any type of surge tank, which is a good model. It's a good way to do it. You're just going to make sure that check valves are right and the plumbing is built right and designed right. I'm the one who goes out after they build these pools and run into all these leak detections of where we have one body of water drop into another, overfilling overnight, and we run into crazy problems that way. Just bad design. So when they build these custom homemade surge tanks out of block, plaster, sometimes they waterproof it, sometimes they don't. They leak all the time. We're running into more and more surge tank leaks the more custom that these houses get. Therefore, again, using Leaktronics equipment to find the leaks in these surge tanks is vital. Being able to, again, just treat a surge tank like it's a swimming pool itself. Get it full. And just basically drop your pool scopes, drop your pipe mics, listen around the penetrations, listen in front of the suction lines that are perforated and come through. Listen for absolutely everything. Keep your eyes open when you're doing these, and again, you'll be able to put yourself over those leaks. We charge more money with slot drain pools or negative edge or commercial pools for that matter. This is the reason why. There's more work to do, yet it's still pretty easy to go out and find these leaks. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.